Three, two, one.
Let's help our planet breathe. Can you imagine life without Earth? Each living being on Earth knows the importance of Earth in our lives. Without Earth, we cannot even imagine living. Have you ever thought how we would walk if there is no Earth? There will be no water to drink and be animals living here, and of course no cultivation, so there's no food. This means to say that the life of humans, as well as other living beings, cannot be imagined without Earth. Last April 2022, the scientists and climate activists were arrested alongside with other activists by the cops because of their peaceful protest. They informed everyone about what's really happening to our climate change. According to Peter Kalmos, we got only less than 3 years to do about climate change before we will face catastrophic consequences of global warming and experiencing some phenomenal problems like the heat waves will become more frequent and severe around the world, affecting hundreds of millions or billions of people if we don't act. People will be experiencing the significant impacts of climate change, including changing weather events. In order to save our environment, planet, and motherland, we should take an action to prevent these catastrophic circumstances before it's too late. Everything humans needed to survive and thrive was provided by the natural world around us. Food, water, medicine, materials for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Scientists have come to terms such of ecosystem services. Based on the evidence, the UK's Committee on the Medical Effects of Air Pollutants recently concluded that overall the evidence is consistent with the possibility that outdoor air pollution might play a role in causing asthma in susceptible individuals living very close to busy roads, creating a lot of traffic. Nonetheless, the effect of public health is likely to be large. Air pollutants are likely to make only a small contribution compared with other factors in development of asthma and in all a small proportion of the population. Not taking care of our environment translate pollution and degradation in our environment. If, for instance, we pollute the source of clean water, it means that we will have less clean water for consumption. Water is a necessary element of life, and without it, there is no life. Global warming has been an important issue facing the world because many things are affected by global warming. Deforestation, burning fossil fuels, industry waste, and greenhouse effect are all caused by global warming. The effect of global warming are an increase in sea level, droughts, storms, extinction of animals, loss of coral reef, and increase in temperature. According to EPA, this increases the Earth temperature, which causes health issues, droughts, flooding, and storms. There will be a lot of changing happening if we don't make an action right away to prevent and sustain our resources that we need in this earth. There will be a shortage in the food and land, loss of biodiversity as a whole species of living things disappear due to deforestation. There are so many ways that I could think that could help our planet to breathe. First, we must practice the 3 R's, namely reduce, reuse, and recycle. Second, reduce the usage of vehicles on road. Third, creating awareness among citizens. And fourth, enforcing laws. Like Peter and other activists gives us hope for humanity even though they risk their lives for the future and to the children of this generation. This show how selfish and unconcerned the government and industry just for the sake of economy and money. We can fix this catastrophic if all human beings help each other to prevent and sustain our motherland. We need to restrict the use of fossil and seek alternative renewable source of energy. Our lifestyle should become eco-friendly and more responsible. This is our last chance to save our planet and give to the next generation.